You have studied English for years. You know the grammar rules, you know the vocabulary lists, you might even have a high score on the TOEFL or IELTS.
But when you step into a morning meeting in New York or try to order a coffee during the morning rush in Chicago, do you still feel frozen?
That feeling is the gap between textbook English and real American life.
In school, you learn to be correct. But in the US, being correct isn't enough. You need to be connected.
I'm Turabi.
And I'm Harper. Welcome to Turabi Teaches.
We started this channel because we noticed a huge problem. Professionals, engineers, doctors, managers come to the US with perfect textbook English, but they struggle to make friends or get promoted.
Exactly. They sound formal. They sound like a letter from the 1950s. My job is to represent the native ear. I'm here to tell you what Americans are actually thinking when you speak.
And together, we are going to bridge that gap. This isn't a classroom, there are no quizzes. This is a guide to surviving and thriving in American culture.
Let me give you a quick example. Turabi, how did you learn to greet people in school?
Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you.
Right. Now, if you say that to a colleague at a happy hour, they're going to look at you like you are an alien. It's too stiff.
So what is the Turabi Teaches way?
We teach you the flow. Instead of that robot response, we teach you to say, not bad, you? Or can't complain. It's faster, it's friendlier, it opens the door.
See? That is the difference. One is correct English, the other is real English.
On this channel, we cover everything you need to build a life here. Business English, how to interrupt politely in a meeting. Social skills, how to make small talk without sweating. Pronunciation, how to link your words so you don't sound choppy.
And we do it all in this podcast format. You can listen while you drive, while you cook, or while you work out. It's immersion, not studying.
Stop sounding like a robot. Start sounding like a local.
We upload new conversations every Tuesday and Friday.
So hit that subscribe button right now.
Do it now.
And let's get talking. See you in the next video.